You're watching Fox 13, Tampa Bay's #1 news station.
Well, you know, a lot of us have been in this situation. Maybe you're in this situation now. I hope not. But you loan someone money. Maybe it's a relative, a trusted friend, and they haven't paid you back. And the debt has piled up, and now you actually need that money, right? Because it's cutting into your finances. So what do you do? We're going to talk about that now with attorney Jim Giardina. He's with the Consumer Rights Law Group. What do you do, Jim? I mean, should you legally go after this person?
Well, yeah, of course you should legally go after him.
Well, you're going to say that. You're the attorney, right?
Yeah, that's right. You know, but you don't necessarily need an attorney to go after them. My thoughts are, my first advice to give anybody is what not to do, right? You don't want to call the person names, and you might feel inclined to call them multiple times a day.
Kind of harass them about this debt?
Yeah. Don't do that. That's going to get you in more hot water. You might end up owing more money than they owe you in the first place. Just remember, be professional. That's the most important thing to remember.
Okay, but you don't just give up, right? If the person's not responding, what should you do?
Absolutely. What you want to do is you want to prepare as if you're going to go to court. You want to get all your documents together. Proof that the person said they'd pay you back the money, proof that you provided the service or loaned them the money in the first place, and proof that they've defaulted. Get all those documents together and get them all in one place.
Well, let me interrupt you there, though, when you talk about proof. I mean, there are situations where a good friend, you know, or a brother or a sister, you might just write them the check or hand them the cash.
Sure.
I mean, what do you have for documentation that you loaned them this money?
What you have, right? You have what you have. If you've got something written, you have it. And if you don't, then maybe you've got a text. Sorry, Bill, I'll pay you on Tuesday. Or, you know, you could text that person, do you have the money that you owe me? And as long as you're professional and friendly about it, maybe they'll text you back. And you know, no case is going to have perfect evidence every time. So you get what you can get. Proof that you provided the service. Maybe you painted the house and you've got an invoice, an estimate, something like that.
Okay, so you don't necessarily need a contract to submit to the court as proof. All right, so you get this documentation, whatever you have together, and then let's say you're not hiring an attorney. What do you do? Where do you take it?
This is what you do. You take it to the courthouse. You walk down to the courthouse. Here in Hillsborough County, we've got 2 courthouses. We've got the one downtown. We've got another one in Plant City. You take your paperwork, you walk down to the courthouse, and you want to bring a little bit of money with you for the filing fees. The filing fees in court range from $55, I think, for, you know, claims of a few $100, all the way up to maybe $200 for a claim of up to $5,000.
Okay. And that's it. So you go down there, you see the judge, and hopefully if you've got everything in order, the judge orders the person to pay up.
Tell it to the judge.
Okay. All right. Good advice from Jim Giardina, Consumer Rights Law Group. They're always available to answer your questions. And we'll see him again next Monday. He always has some good advice for us.
We'll see you.